Hi everybody, it's Maureen Wong from mycasestudies.blogspot.com, and today I have another planner related post for you, and specifically this is about a digital kit that I made that I'm selling on Etsy right now. So I recently got into using a happy planner. This is the classic size happy planner. This one is called Farmhouse, I believe, and it's in the vertical orientation. So you can see it's vertical. It's kind of like it's sort of similar to the vertical Erin Condren, but with differences, of course, as to size and layout and everything. But anyway, I really like the happy planner style where you can change things in and out with the discs, and I bought a punch specially for it. So I decided to make a kit for myself for the happy planner. And one thing I've actually been doing is I had an old happy planner that I was given a long time ago, but I didn't really like it, so I didn't use it. And so I have a bunch of leftover pages that are totally blank but completely usable. And so one of the things I made my kit for is to be able to use it on older spreads. This is not an older spread, obviously, but to be able to use it, let's say if this was in May or February or something, I could actually use my kit to cover up the information that shows that it's like in February, to be able to use it anytime else. So that's part of the reason I made this kit, was to help use up old papers or old planner stuff, which, you know, you don't always do, but sometimes you might like to, instead of buying a new planner. If you can get an older one really cheap off of someone, that would be a really great option if you don't have as much to spend. And then my kit is actually a digital kit, so you can print it over and over again and use it multiple times, and that makes it really affordable as well. So the whole thing is, I made the kit for my own use. I went and bought art I bought clip art and papers, digital papers, and I made this kit because I just love the art. And I decided, well, since I spent all this time making this, maybe somebody else would like it too. And so I decided to put it up on Etsy. I bought the commercial licenses and everything, so I'm good to go. My shop is called Maureen 97 Designs, by the way, and I'll have a link to the kit down below. But anyway, so let me show you what the kit is. It's only available in the Silhouette cut file, because that's what I use. I don't use a Cricut. I didn't include PDF or JPEGs because I really don't think anybody's going to want to cut this by hand, and let me show you why. I mean, you could, I guess, cut the boxes by hand, but you're probably not going to want to cut all this by hand, so I didn't include those. But if you're really wanting to use this kit and you want to hand cut it, let me know. I can certainly make those available. But anyway, let me go through it. So this is going to be, when you download it, it's going to be 3 pages, 3 full pages that you print out on your printer from Silhouette Studio. And then I've actually put cut through lines. The blue lines are cut through, the red lines are kiss cut. And I put those blue lines to cut through so that they would cut down to half size sheets, because I think that's a lot easier to handle than trying to sticker with your full size sheet. So of course 3 pages comes out to be 6 half pages. And I've got, this is bottom washi. So this is an older planner I was using. This is the one with the pineapple on the front from last year. And so you can see it has designs and some color, and then it has the monthly calendar up here. So if you're new to doing this kind of covering up deal, what I would suggest is correction tape, and this is just stuff I got off of Amazon, because your washi might show this design through it, so you'd want to white it out before you put the washi down, if that's going to bother you. But a lot of my stuff is actually a little bit darker and won't show through. It's not really washi, of course, so it's not transparent, so it'll cover up most of the stuff, but if anything can show through, then you should probably use correction tape if that's going to bother you. So I have these bottom washi. The short one, of course, is for this side, and then the longer one is for this side. And by the way, my farmhouse, oh, excuse that, I was writing on my planner my open planner, so I got it a little scribbly. But anyway, the farmhouse one that I'm using, I picked it specifically because it's very, very, very neutral. It doesn't have color in it, and I really like that, so I'm not going to have to white out a lot of stuff. But anyway, if I'm using this one, I will have to white out things. So top and bottom washi, I have a couple of appointment boxes. I have these tiny little circles with asterisks and little hearts, and you can use those as decoration. You can use those for lists, or I'm not sure what else you can do with that, but anyway. I know a lot of kits come with these tiny little things, so whatever that's used for. I made these post-it notes that you can use to leave little notes, and I put little pins so they'd be extra cute. This big Planner for Life block is actually meant to cover up this area of this is the older style Happy Planner that has the calendar, or I don't know if any of the newer versions have it, but it has this calendar, the monthly calendar in the corner. And so especially if you're using up older pages, you're going to want to cover that up because it's not going to be relevant. So I made this big block, and that fits right above that. And then because I'm a coffee lover, I put in a few coffee quotes down here, and coffee things, and then just for decoration. And then this is a planner that I made. It's actually a happy planner. And it says plan next week. Okay, and then I have some little boxes that say to clean, today, to do, some blank ones so you can write your own. I have these big ombre hearts, big circles with stars and dollar signs in case you're marking things, and like maybe special occasions, things you buy online or go shopping. I have these Happy Mail stickers, one for each day. I actually put 7 because sometimes I actually get deliveries on Sunday. So I put 7 of these Happy Mail stickers in case you like to note down what you got in the mail, because that's what I do. I have a Friday. Then I have some of these half boxes, and then I have a whole bunch of deco stickers. This is the Summer Mermaids kit, so it's got mermaids in different colorways, shells, starfish, and these really yummy looking, like kind of Starbucksy cool drinks. And then I have these coffee cups. I have 4 up here and 3 up here. And what I do is, like I said, I'm a coffee lover. I'm addicted to drinking coffee. And so what I do is I actually keep track of my coffee intake. So I have these little cups for every day. And what I usually do is I will take one of these blank boxes, and then I'll put a coffee sticker on the side, and then I'll stamp a little coffee bean for each cup of coffee I drink that day, just to make sure, because I forget sometimes, since I do it every single day, what I'm drinking, so I can easily see if I've had too much or if I can have another cup. So anyway, that's what those little coffee cups are for. Of course, you can always use them for coffee dates, if you treat yourself to a coffee like you don't normally drink coffee, whatever you want. These are the date covers, so they completely cover up this top portion, and then the little white circle just shows you where to put the numbers so that it's nicely centered. And these are, of course, the numbers to put over your calendar for the actual dates that you're using. And then I have some banner flags for lists. I have 4 trackers. And I actually started mine on Sunday because I am a Sunday through Saturday planner. So actually what I do with the date covers is I cover it up and I put Sunday on that first one. But I might be changing. If that bothers you, let me know and I can probably change that up for you. I guess a lot of people start with Monday because the planner actually does start on Monday. I know a lot of people do Monday through Sunday planning, so I'll think about that. Then I have these full boxes that you can write in, some more deco stickers, some fruit and sunglasses, and then list boxes, more list banners. I have a couple of bill doos, some TVs if you're going to the movies. I keep track of what I eat every day, so I've got 7 sets of cutlery, some little deco flags, and then this is my logo, the Marine 97 Designs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and sticker up my weeks to show you how everything looks down and a little bit of how I use everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and before I get to the layout, I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So I have a lot of stickers left, and part of the reason is because I put in a bunch of extra stuff to fill space or just because I wanted extras. And part of it is because I'm an after planner, meaning that I do most of my writing in my planner after stuff happens. Like after I get my Happy Mail, after I eat my meals. I don't pre-plan meals. I don't pre-plan a lot of stuff. So the only things I do put in my planner before that day are to-do lists, appointments, errands I need to run, stuff I need to clean, things like that. Other than that, everything else is noted during the day as I go. So a lot of these deco stickers are left because I don't put them in until I'm actually writing and I have a little bit of extra space, and I'll throw that in. The other thing I wanted to note is that I have a lot of blank space in these sticker sheets. So what I did with this one was I actually took off the excess sticker paper and I took some of the things off this sheet that I wanted to save and put it onto this one to have a little, I mean, it's one less sheet, but that's one less sheet. So I don't need any of the numbers anymore. I don't need the habit trackers. I don't need my logo. So I just took the stuff that I would be able to use and put it on this sheet. And I can actually condense it even more by just taking off the excess sticker paper from all the portions that have big blank spots like this. And then, like, because my deco stickers are kind of spread out, I could put my deco stickers on here so that I have all my deco stickers in one place. Or you can do, you know, whatever you want. It just helps to have a little less sheets to keep track of when you're actually doing your writing. So let's get to the layout. This is my layout, and it's looks really complicated, but it's really simple because I do the same thing for every single day pretty much, which is I have my date covers across the top, I have my washi across the bottom, I have a to-do section, a to-clean section. This middle part is my coffee trackers, then my Happy Mail trackers, then my meal trackers. Then I have this little space for stuff I want to watch on Netflix or TV. And then I have this little space down here for noting anything that happened to me that day that I want to keep track of or remember. The only thing that's different is on this side, of course, there's the sidebar. I use that big sticker to cover up the monthly. I have a look here, important, and remember stickers for the sidebar. And for under important, I have a bill due sticker, I have a post-it. Under the remember, I have my trackers. So really simple, and of course you don't have to do it like me because I know everybody plans differently and does their layouts differently. So that's why if you do happen to buy my kit, I'd love to see what you do with it. If you want to share with me, you can leave a link in the comments below and I will definitely come check it out. And I just want to say thank you very much. If you do buy my kit, I really, really appreciate it. And I hope oh, excuse me. I hope you like it. Lastly, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you could, please try and keep your comments nice. The mean ones hurt my feelings, and they're really not necessary. But if you do have some constructive comments about maybe things that I can change or something you'd like to see in a future kit, because I do plan on making more kits now that I've made this one. You can leave that down below. And I'm sorry for all the ums in my video, by the way. I am so rusty at making videos. I haven't been doing it lately, so all the ums. Oh, I know that's annoying. Sorry. And I think that's it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later.